couple things on there.
Bruh.
I got like 1,500 subs.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Here and just go around. This defense.
Birthday tomorrow?
Yep.
What you gonna do?
I'm be streaming. Pull up.
You gonna stream and then do what you doing in real life?
Oh. I don't know what you
Gotta do something, bro. Got to. What? First birthday out?
I don't know.
Niggas gotta turn up.
Yeah, let's do something.
Yeah, let's do some. All right.
Make sure you can breathe, okay? Feel good? The hands up, don't be flying. Come on. I need combos flying.
WGD chat.
Boss,
My best friend ever.
You work, man.
actually, I forgot shorts. You got the goggles? Yeah.